Hi, I'm Martin. I'm one of the Community Youth Offer Coordinators here in YEPS, and I'm nominating Sarah Ellis for the Going the Extra Mile category in this year's awards. So Sarah is a really important member of the team. She works incredibly hard and is always massively supportive to us and all of her colleagues, from jumping into after school to working really hard in youth clubs. She has saved my life so many times from a coordination point of view. But I think the reason I wanted to nominate her this year was because of all of her work with Spectrum, YEPS' new neurodiversity forum. So she took on this thematic area and has completely run with it, and has been a part of enacting really positive change across YEPS and across youth clubs. The forum is growing, and I honestly don't know how she fits in everything that she does between her actual normal everyday job, all of the support that she gives us in after school and youth club, and the forum itself, who are working on so many projects. And Sarah has also delivered staff training that she developed, and she will hate me saying all of this, but I do think she deserves recognition for the amazing amount of work and effort and the passion that she has shown towards improving the lives of young people across RCT. So thank you, Sarah, and good luck tonight.